Seems more developed. I'm all sweaty. Hand-drawn map.
Oh, very nice, huh?
来，要买哪一家啊？ About maybe another 2 hours walk. Hi, it's another hiking day. Today I will be hiking Bukit Saga. I actually came here last week and there are 2 routes, so we're gonna try out another route. There are like a waterfall route and a summit route, the top.
Wow,
Thanks to Julian.
The iPhone 13 Pro.
Yeah. This is my 4th hike of the year. And second time to Bukit Saga again. We have arrived the first checkpoint. I think this is the first checkpoint. We started at 8:53, now it's 9:10, so we hiked for 17 minutes. Surprisingly, today is quite tiring. I don't know why. Maybe because we hiked for 17 minutes non-stop.
This time faster than last time, right?
Yeah, a lot faster.
Create your own fan. No lah, I think after sweat you will be cold.
Yeah.
Now we have to go already.
Okay.
Go move. Okay.
So if you see this plant here, it's called the coral leaves. Is it coral leaves? And then I was told that if you see this kind of leaves, it means that the like water area is nearby or it is very humid. Yeah, coral leaves. Okay lah, it's fine. It says here, Bukit Saga Peak is here. And then remember the very funny one?
You see here?
Lookout point, Jalan Hurungan, up there.
You have to climb up. Come, let's go. It's almost here. Right now we are at this triangle. What's this triangle called again? Let me see. Triangulation station, also known as triangulation pillar, sometimes informally as a trick fixed surveying station used in geodetic surveying and other surveying projects in its vicinity. Bring 500 liters.
You see, you have like the bokeh effect, like blur and then refocus like that. We have arrived the roundabout of Saga Hill. So this is the roundabout of, as Julian said, life. So we have here this direction to Saga Top and this direction to waterfall.
Go here first, huh?
Alright, let's choose.
Oh, I want the top.
Here is the top.
No, this is Saga Top. That one is waterfall.
Oh.
So we have decided to first go to the top and then look at the situation later. If things permits, then we'll go to the waterfall. Looks more quiet here. And this way to the top is actually going downhill. I'm your portable DJ. You want this song?
No.
Next song. There's always gonna be another mountain. Always gonna wanna make it move.
Hey Google,
Yes.
Reduce volume by 50%.
There's always gonna be another mountain. Gonna die already.
Hey Google,
Yes, how can I help you?
play next song.
F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. And it's for anywhere, anytime and all over in the deep blue sea. Yay! Yes?
Slow down by 50%.
F is for friends who do stuff together. So we are at another like mini roundabout here in the jungle that says waterfall, go back to that direction, which is where we came from. And then there is this route and this route. So, this one seems more developed, more people walk before. This one seems like more leaves. So 我们走到哪里
Waterfall that one? No mark one.
No mark. But 那边好像很多人走过，
I think that one easier.
这里好像没有什么人走的感觉。
That one easier, I think.
Maybe just the same way and then just stick around.
Yeah, it could be. We're seeing something. It's like a tent or a resting stop with a lot of New Year decoration already. Got the lanterns.
This is like a fairy land, like
Fairyland. Oh, there are swings. Oh. I'm all sweaty. I'm resting here at the top stop. It's like a resting area, and I'm sitting on a log. Yeah, and Julian is taking my picture.
This stuff artificial.
Wow.
it's very strict. All the
恭喜發財啊
Me. 5 minutes.
Really?
Don't never trust a hiker.
Oh, good dog. Today I learned a new word.
Why?
Never trust a hiker. Because hiker always will bluff you like another 5 minutes lah, another 5 minutes and forever cannot reach one.
Then another word. Almost there lah, almost there.
Yes.
Take a round turn. Okay, done already.
So right now we are exploring new trail and we are going to the direction where we are going towards Upper Hill. So from Saga Hill just now we are going towards Upper Hill. But first we want to find for station 5 or 6. Station 6, yes. And then maybe rest there for a bit and then try to go to the waterfall. Yeah. Yeah. So just now on the way we met like 2 senior hikers here,
但唔好走失路啊！waterfall 嗰度好多柴。
an app where it shows you all.
which they have like a secret map, hand-drawn map, and they shared with us. So by using this map, hopefully we can find our way.
I'm pretty sure I saw this in the TV.
Yeah. Julian said this is the one for the Tarzan to climb. Come, who can do Tarzan sound? Nobody? Then it's me. Let me try. Oh! It says here station 6.
There, here, already mentioned.
Yeah, station 6, turn left.
No.
Okay, we go back.
We are at station 6.
It's organic, it's fertilizer for the.
I think can go lah, but the not belong to Nam Julian. Julian, I'm curious how many kg you are?
90,
90. Ooh. But your height is?
180.
Okay lah.
Mmm.
Why got sour? Egg only.
So long as food.
Look like one.
I was just thinking last time, it's like, there's no Adrian and nobody said anything. Okay, let me throw some egg at the boy tomorrow morning. They can go.
So what is without any soy sauce or
Yeah.
pepper?
No need lah.
Oh, that one very nice, huh? Like clear blue sky
Mm.
and then a date tree.
Mm. Yeah.
Not really.
Not really lah. That's few gram only ma.
It's good.
Right.
Because hungry.
Thank you.
You get 13, they ask you get 13 Pro.
If you are into photography and videography, you should take 13 Pro.
Am I in?
You are. You keep putting your phone out to take picture.
Yeah. Someone you.
Unless you like me, 2 guy, 1 girl. The 2 guy quite familiar with the Gunung Nuang. Salesman, and then you're like customer. You are.
Then they're the salesman on that side and then they're selling to me.
来，要买哪一架啊？我们有华为也有 ，iPhone 也有哈。
Because I never tried night hike before. Night hike is like
I want to go for coffee peng.
Okay.
cannot pull only lah. Dirty
The time I went for camp 3 days 2 nights, so we eat charcoal pill in order to stop pooping.
Really?
Stop pooping.
Yeah.
I thought charcoal peel is to like clear
Yeah.
Clear. I don't know. They say eat charcoal pill will help you to
Why
hold the
why
one.
need to hold?
Cause they're not toilet.
Just everywhere. Cannot.
Still young maybe. Camp got baby none.
Oh,
I don't know why I record myself and then I start talking about poop. Damn funny, right?
Pool title. Pool.
Yeah. Talking about how to poop in the jungle. Tutorial.
Oh, actually they got another equipment one. It's like a round equipment, and then you just take out, and then you just hold it, and then you pull. Yeah. So you cover your own.
Then the poop,
If we have what to bring to makan, if we have campfire here, we can bring.
sandwich, just raw meat, and then put BBQ on the tray one.
You bring raw meat in here.
I think just eat Maggi is enough lah.
Like hot dog, all those things that we can put on the
Can.
what to
Yeah,
grill. Right now we're turning back because we're not going to the waterfall that direction already. That will take us another 3 hours. So we're walking back and it would take us like about maybe another 2 hours walk to reach the place where we started.
Once in a while lah.
Oh, but this one nice eh.
Hike with me. Oh, we're almost there. We are there. Bukit Saga top. Okay. Oh, actually very 爽 eh. I don't know.
But it's like it kind of like it hangs on to you more than a rotan.
You can do it, you can do it.
Yeah. Correct.
You.
Almost there.
Ah,
Oh,
yes, you did it.
Okay, can already.
I heard like if it's dark then the color will be nicer.
Is it? That means the water needs to be.
Maybe.
孔雀
Because
鱼
last time
Last time I have guppies, right? Then like their color not very nice one. So pretty. The plant also so nice.
We're continuing our journey back out. We're back at the roundabout here. Then we're going back down. We're seeing this again. Oh, 看来然后在长高，然后还有一个 housefly 在这里。So we are here, we are out, and we are done for our hike today.
Go up 9 mà, 9
We're going out already. We're leaving Saga Hill to go for our brunch or lunch. Lunch. There.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I just like the. Later you have enough.
Looks like a bit strange. I tried before. But 没有
My sister like